I got here just in time. Well, that was semi-interesting. I had waited at this crossing. It's now 10 to 7 on August 8th, and I had waited here thinking there might be a train coming, and sure enough, eventually one came. I don't think this was a particularly long train, and I sure don't know where it was going. But I kind of like to watch trains pass at my favorite pedestrian and bike crossing here, which is the crossing on Burkhardt Street. Well, Burkhardt Street is down, and then it continues over there across the tracks. But somebody some months ago, somebody wrote on the pavement here, "They kidnapped my kids." I hope that's not true. And if something happened like that, the news sure didn't pick it up. So I'm thinking it was probably some other kind of a situation, if there was any situation at all. But that bit of lettering on the pavement, on the asphalt by the crossing, it's always kind of intrigued me a little bit. Well, I'll tell you what, on my bike, which I ditched here when I saw when I heard the train coming, I think I get back on it now and finish my ride. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like watching trains as much as I do. If not, well, it's too bad. Anyway, I'll see you. I'm Hustler Herring, and I'll see you here the next time.